It is too much, traders. It's too much. Look at this beautiful profits, withdrawal, and balance. Look at this with the live account, of course, with the best broker. You can join with the best broker. The link is in my description. But not only that, but you know what, guys? And we're very close to 100,000 for the month. Wow. And the month is not even over. My traders, it's possible. Don't stress. You will get here. If you look at it, 2-3 years ago, I desired to be here. I had a vision, I had a faith that I'll get you where I am. And the same goes for you traders. You need to have that vision, faith, and desire to get here. But in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how do I make this possible on the Forex market. In fact, I'm going to share you guys exactly how I trade the market. I'm going to show you guys the indicator I'm using that tells me when to buy and when to sell. First up, what I need you to do right now is hit the damn like button and don't forget to subscribe, traders, so you get more videos like these where I can teach you how to trade the Forex market easily. And that was it. Let's jump in the chart and teach you how to make this money on the Forex market. Let's go. Okay, traders, now that we're on the chart, right? First up, I'm going to show you guys how to put this indicator on there and what indicator are we using. Now, this indicator you see in here, this is a personalized indicator created by me and my coder, right? There's a coder of mine, a program coder that is helping me to create an indicator that's very accurate. Now, if you want to know more, if you actually want this indicator, if you guys want me to make this indicator public for everyone, right? This is not the indicator I'm talking about. But if you want my TFE precision indicator, just drop the comment down below. Release your T indicator for TFE. Just drop something like that. Launch a TFE indicator for me. As you can see here, how accurate this one is. It says sell, it goes down. When it says buy, it goes up. When it says buy, go up. When it says sell, it goes down. And it goes on and on, guys. You can see, let's just delete this off here, okay? Now, the indicator I'm explaining to you guys that helps me to spot this, to get these moves in the market, right? All I do is over here, go over here, indicator on top, and I search RSI, right? And the very first one there, start. Now, once that is done, go over here, favorite, and click on RSI over there, right? What you need to do right now is on the side here, go to settings, and let's set this up like mine, because so this over here, let's make it black, okay? Black. The RSI, take this off, the RSI MA, this on top right here, okay? You want to take this off right here, this over here, okay? Make this red and make it a line in 70, okay? The middle one, take that off, okay? This over here, the RSI logo band, ensure that is going to be green and it's going to be a line and it's 30. Okay, the background, take the background off and you should be exact like mine. There we go. Beautiful. Now, I already have mine set up as a template. Gonna save it as a template. Go over here, which is template, and you can actually save it as save indicator as a template. You can save it right now, and you can save it. Mine is already saved, and look here. All I do is do this. Boom. Check it. It's there. Wait, loading. There we go. See, I made mine a little thicker. Now, with this being said, guys, how does this work? We're going to use the 1 hour time frame, and every time the market comes on the top red line, it means it sells. So the red line on top is for sells, right? This on top is for sells, guys. Remember this, please. It is for sells. The bottom green line over here is for buys, okay? Every time the market comes in these lines, like right here, market's hitting the green line at the bottom, we're going to start thinking buys. Okay, guys? When the market comes on top of the red line, we're going to think about selling. Now, we're not going to just blindly sell or blindly buy, but we want to make sure that when we buy or selling, it's at these areas when it's telling us, right? So, for example, the market's at the bottom right here. I'm going to start looking for buys. Now, when I do that, I look to the left. You can see there's a nice support and there's a nice area, which is the buy area zone on the RSI. Now, let's see if this really works, Shaquille. What are you sharing with us? Does it really work? For example, let's go over here, okay? You can see that the market on the 1 hour, once upon a time, was at the bottom right here and there, right? As you see, I don't just blindly take a buy here, but eventually, if you look at it, there's a nice support area right there, with market having this, what do you call it over here? the RSI buy over there, right? It's in the RSI buy. So as soon as market comes to that area of zone right there, and being that being that it's in also the buy zone on the RSI, so it's on the RSI buy, and it's just stopped into this area. That is a sign, but now I need to slow down in the market, and eventually the market will show us its hand, and when it wants to start buying higher. You understand? That's how easy it is, guys. That's how easy it is. And as soon as market taps in the top right there, you look for sales. Now let's go to this area right here for the buy. Market tapped into the buy area. If you look over here, market then started buying higher from there. The same thing over here. Look at today, market tapped into the buy area on the RSI, and look what happened today. It started buying higher. So you can see market was on top, wasn't it at the RSI? So what we're going to do is we wait for the market to come back down. It taps into it. It's the first sign, gives us a rejection. Okay, once the market is in this, which is very important, write this down, guys. The first thing is you want to be on the 1 hour. The second thing is, right, you want to make sure that the RSI is at one of these levels. Okay, either the red line or the green line. Then I'm finding interest. If it's at the green line at the bottom, I'm going to start looking for buys. If it's at the red line top, I'm looking for the sells on the market. Now, if it's in between these things and it's the middle of the year, I'm not worried about it. Okay, so the next step is once it's tapped into here on the 1 hour, I drop down to the 15-minute after that. And on the 15-minute, I'm looking either for a trend line break or a actually precision box, right? Here's a aluminium, we need trend line over here. Okay, let's see what happens over here. So the market finally is pushing above, right? It's wants to go above, fails to go above, right? Still playing, right? As soon as market's out there, right? That is a sign that market wants to start buying. It's a sign the market's going to buy. It's a sign the market wants to buy. That's the opportunity to get involved, right? This opportunity to get involved, right? This year is your opportunity to get involved for the buy higher, right? As soon as the market's at the bottom right here, you're going to get in for the buys higher, guys. That's when you start looking to get in for the buy higher. And you be a little patient. Just be a little patient. Just a little patient. Always be a little patient with the market, right? That's what you're going to do, is be a little patient. Market just taking its time. But eventually what happens is the market's going to tap, find its clear support area with this RSI. And then the market will just start shooting all the way off. You get what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. So it's this RSI is just simply when it's in the sell zone, you look for a sell opportunity on the 15-minute. When it's in the buy zone at the bottom on the RSI on the 1 hour, go to the 15-minute to look for the buy. You know what I'm saying? That's how easy it is, guys. If you're liking this, just like this video, guys. Like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. Just comment down below. And with that being said, guys, join the free group is in my description, and sure to sign up with my broker in my description, or join my VIP signals, or even, so you know what, you can join my corporate training where I trade account for you and make money for you. With that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Your mentor, Shakil Samai. I'm gonna sign out right now and see you guys on the other side.